Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will learn setting up serverless to run Lambda functions from our CLI. So guys, this is the serverless official documentation and we will refer this to set up our serverless. So there are different ways to install serverless on your local machine, as you can see, but we will go with this npm option. So let's first install the serverless npm package. So as you can see, some error occurred. It's likely you don't have the permission to access the file as the current user. So in this case, as you can see, for this error, we can run the same command with sudo flag. You can enter the password. Now the serverless is installed successfully. After installing this serverless package, we need to create our user on AWS console and map this serverless with that user profile. So let's move to the AWS console. Let's go to the IAM. Users. Guys, you can see I have already created some of the users for demo purposes. I am creating another user again. Serverless user, and don't forget to tick this access, pragmatic access, to generate your access key and secret access key. Next, you need to select this option and administrator access. Guys, this is not the recommended way to give the administrator access to your user. For this demo purpose, we will going with this option only right now. You can skip this. You can create user. Now you can see success. Your access ID and secret access ID are created successfully. You can download these IDs from the CSV as well. This is my secret key ID and secret access key. After this video, these keys will not be working anymore. So now our keys are created successfully. Now the next step is to map the serverless with these AWS profile. So we will refer the serverless document for this. AWS config. We will use this command to map our profile with the serverless. So guys, after running this command, your serverless configurations will be completed. This is setting your AWS in the background. So guys, this is how we will set up our serverless to run Lambda functions via CLI. That's all from my side. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe the video.